Hello friends, this is live designer Vijay Tushar and a special welcome to all of you to the segment Mystical Abyss, which is a segment of Zindagi Ka Parcha Chai Pe Charcha Vijay ke Saath. Well, today the guest that we have is a special one because we had a chance meeting due to one of my students, a meeting that's a virtual meeting, and she's a wonderful personality. Her name is Banali Ray Shukla, and yes, she is a filmmaker, a writer, and a poet par excellence. So it's indeed a great honor, and Management Meet takes great pride in inviting Banali Ray Shukla to Zindagi Ka Parcha, Chai Pe Charcha, Viji Ke Saath. So we come to the next part, this rapid fire section, and I would no before that I want to know about Love Kuch Aisa because I have absolutely no clue about it.
Okay, Kuch Love Jaisa.
Kuch Love Jaisa. Kuch Love Jaisa, yes.
Yeah, Kuch Love Jaisa. See, I want to say that, right now, if you have seen all my work mostly, and perhaps you'll read my book also soon someday.
Yes, I will.
But I can't show you the film, Kuch Love Jaisa.
Okay.
So it's a film with Rahul Bose and Shefali Shah playing the lead.
Okay.
And it was written and directed by me, and there's no way I can show you the film. So if you see my movement from then to the other films that I'm working on, you want that you can tell that this is my work, please see, this is how it is shared. It must reach the audience. I think that's very important. So Kuch Love Jaisa is a one-day story set on 29th of February, which comes once in 4 years, and two completely different people are thrown in a situation. What is the situation? She plays a housewife with 2 children whose birthday is today, which is 29th February, and no one remembers it. Din ke 11, 12 baj gaye hain, 1 baj gaya hai, nobody remembers it. And if she doesn't do something about it and continues to mope about it, 4 saal nikal jayenge. And on the other hand, Rahul Bose, who plays Raghav, who is a passport farji guy, he says that मेरी life बहुत ये dark side बहुत हो गया. I am going to go and propose my girlfriend, but his girlfriend turns him out to the Mumbai police. तो वो भाग रहा है और आज उसका भी birthday है. So Raghav and Madhu are totally different, and they share nothing except their birthday.
Okay.
And situation is created such that they meet, and how do they learn from each other, and what is their adventure together on one day, that 29th February, is what is Kuch Love Jaisa.
Wonderful, wonderful. So, it is so awesome. Yes. I will definitely be watching.
Yeah, really, yeah, and it's really meant for people like us.
So, as Osho says, that seriousness is a crime. So how important do you think is fun in life?
Oh, extremely. I wasn't like this. I was this geek, padhaku, chashmish, totally, some people are bookworms, and they have to look like bookworms, and they will not focus on anything else, because I think growing up in a middle class Bengali house, you're also made conscious that ye kapde nahi pehne, aise nahi dikhna, wo nahi karna, which I followed completely. I had socks till my thighs and my skirts till my ankle. So I have not told this to my father. I hope he's watching this. So, I did, waxing during masters, and where today I see when I go to a parlor that mother and daughters are coming. It's crazy, but okay, don't divert your attention to all of it. Padhai happened, and I was not as productive as I got when I did things out of no reason at all. Okay. I think doing things for fun is there's a line that you should not be harming someone else, but you should be doing things just because you should not just do what is prescribed to you. Right. I'll tell you an example how I translated into real life. It is not about just jumping in a trampoline or trying to go to Appu Ghar. But मेरी सास जो है थी, she had this bag of medicines और वो मेडिसिन की वजह से उनको एसिडिटी होती थी, पचने में चीजें की प्रॉब्लम होती थी. I was just married for 4 years then, and I told trust me. Can I suggest you something? You keep going to the doctor and you have these 32 medicines because of which you're falling sick. I said, give me 10 days of your life. Forget these medicines, and in those 10 days, we go out for a holiday, just you and me. So she and I went to Badrinath. Her sons were working. My Jade was in Africa and he's still there. My husband was shooting. And the two of us, we chucked medicines. ये दिल धक धक कर रहा है, ये फड़ कर रहा है, वो हो रहा है. So it was like she was a fun person actually inside. Then a role is put on you. कि आप सास हैं, आप सास हैं. So I broke from the shell and I took the risk of what? Telling कि माँ ये आप basic medicines रखिए because blood pressure, sugar and all of that. But ये फड़ खड़ छड़ these medicines, let's risk with fun.
Yeah.
I'm actually telling you, this is an effect. It's a chemical, scientific effect which she had. And she went about telling this choti bahu is mom. She did this therapy. So I would call it fun therapy. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is little adventures that you take from getting away from these walls, getting, it's so depleting to be tired and fatigued all the time and to play the world what the world is expecting of you कि आप फलाने कलर की साड़ी पहनेंगी, आप haircut नहीं करेंगे, आप वो नहीं करेंगे, so yeah, I mean, wise men, whoever has said that, it really doesn't mean that you go and steal apples from the neighbor, but this is very important I think. आपके लाइफ में 15% फन होना चाहिए.
15%? मैं तो बोलूं कि 50% होना चाहिए, because उसके बिना मजा नहीं आता. I have done some really crazy things, especially with my friend, called Leena from Pune. So we had this opportunity of meeting one handsome guy. His name was Xavier. और उस समय जब you are young, you get attracted towards people who are extremely handsome. तो वो मुझे मूंछ का बहुत passion था. So I used to love, muchchads. We are South Indian, so हम लोगों को वो mooch is a style of manhood. And this guy was there, Xavier, very handsome. So we have this church meetings, where we act out and we're given a particular situation and we have to give it an ending. So there was this guy called Xavier who was in her group and they had done some acting and things like that. So one day, standing at our house, we were watching down and we saw these two guys go with one small child. And she said, "Hey, that's Xavier." So I said, "Acha?" So I said, "How do we come to know it is that same guy?" She said, No, it is he, 101%. He was in my group. I know it is he only. So I said, "Okay, let's scream out loud. And if it is he will look up." So, so she screamed so loud, he looked up. He said, Xavier, come on, come up. So he comes up with his friend and the small child. We open the door and I look at him and I said, this guy doesn't look like that one who was there. But anyways, I was not in her group, so maybe she knows better. So she says, come. And we had prepared ice creams and all for the first time. We gave ice cream and everything. And then, when he's speaking, he said Javier, not Xavier. So I had a doubt. Like Catholics, normally Xavier will be said very nicely. So this was like Javier. So I went inside and I told her, "Are you sure it is the same guy?" She said, "Of course, I know. I was in his group only." And then we gave them ice creams and everything. And then everything was over. This fellow comes back. And when he's going, he says, "Thank you very much for the ice cream. But by the way, my name is not Javier. My name is Kamlesh." My God. So thank God our parents.
You must watch कुछ लव जैसा देखनी है आपको फिर तो.
अच्छा.
One day adventure. Oh. Yeah, recommend it highly.
So this was
we live through our characters. But Kamlesh and Xavier.
We always think about it. It's been years, but still, it was so much fun. So there are many such moments we'll definitely share with you later on. So we go forward, and let me ask you a few rapid fire questions before we wind up this session. So if you had to define Banali De Shukla in one sentence, only one sentence, what would it be?
Curious, childlike, and always looking to be wonderstruck.
Wonderful. Who is your idol?
I think I work very strongly upon the fact that there's not one idol. There are few who I look up to for various aspects. But if you answer is one, it would be parents, I think.
Wonderful. Your favorite quote?
Favorite?
Quote.
Be the change that you want to see in this world.
Wonderful.
Gandhiji,
yes. A book that inspires you?
I think there would be a lot many texts which is across the ages which has inspired me. So,
but if you had to choose
as
one.
a kid, I think we always we stick to one.
Yes.
I think the Gita.
The Bhagavad Gita. Wonderful.
Yeah.
I think
inspire is the word, right? So Bhagavad Gita.
Yes. Yeah. I think there is one very beautiful, part in the Gita where it's about Arjun and Krishna. Where remember that time when Karna is shooting the arrows, and Krishna is there, and his chariot moves 17 feet, whereas when Arjun is hitting, it's just 2 feet going back. And till the end, Arjun feels that Krishna is being partial towards Karna. And then he asks him, and he says, I waited till the last moment when your chariot, until you got out of the chariot, and then the chariot just burst into flames. So there was this powerful thing about he's saying that as long as God is with you, nothing can happen to you. And the reason why he gave more weightage to Karna is, though Karna did not have anybody to support him, still he was able to move.
In fact, whatever support was there was extracted from him. His kavach, which made him infallible.
Correct.
Yeah.
So that is one thing that I will never forget.
Lot of things to be inspired, and for our field, that you do good and don't wait for the balance sheet. I think it's very important.
Karma karo, phal ki chinta mat karo.
Mat karo.
And there is also one thing, a nadi apni pani kabhi peeti nahi, पेड़ अपना फल कभी खाता नहीं. So that's beautiful. Okay, your philosophy about love in one sentence.
This has to be the Swedish proverb, love me most when I deserve least, because that's when I need it most.
Beautiful, very true. But it's being very sensitive, your lover has to be really sensitive.
Very vulnerable. Yes, I can say it today. I can't say it. I don't think I would have said it even 5 years back.
So can we have a few lines on your husband?
My husband is my best friend, and I think it was his idea that, because, if you ask my high school or college students, I was not the one who would have gotten married, because I said, no, marriage, no, I'll keep studying. Remember, I was that student.
Yeah.
So they were really shocked. I was one of the first ones to get married. So I think he...
At what age did you get married?
I was 24.
Uh-huh. Okay. Yes. So about him.
You can calculate my age. Yeah.
No, I don't want to. So, I don't want to. You're still 16.
Yeah, we are timeless. Yeah. So I think Saurabh made me understand that marriage is while it is with the world, with the whole family, but the equation you must set is a customized settings. It's not default settings. कि ऐसा होता है तो ऐसा ही है. Apart from the basic that, you know, I am the husband, do this, you are the wife, this is expected of you. Apart from the moral commitment of it all and a human commitment, I think he understands why I think we understand each other's dreams. I think all that I've said so far is not important. I think it's very important as partners to understand the value of each other's dreams.
I think the most important thing in a relationship is if your values, attitudes, and beliefs match, then
Yes.
it gets stronger and
So
stronger.
values, attitudes go on to bring about a compatibility. And I think when I say friendship, I hold friendship in a very high esteem because
True.
it does things without expectations.
True.
You know, relationships have expectations. For affection does not have expectation. If I like you, I like you. You know.
Yeah.
So when you get together, there is so much of purity in a bond of this nature. I think, which is I hope everybody finds this. You know, because I remember. I mean, trying to define is very difficult because, you know, you have to keep evolving with time.
According to my son, he is the cutest and the most lovable person.
Okay, I
Please tell him that.
Yeah.
He's
Yes,
like, he's so excited when he sees him on screen. You know, say he's so cute, he's so chubby, he's so cute, you know. He has that fatherly feeling and
So
that
nice.
warmth that actually he exudes the warmth and simplicity with pure love.
Yeah, and the truth. And
the truth, yes.
like, I think that truth is very important. That whatever he plays, he's true to that.
True, yes.
Yeah.
And all his friends also, they all love him. Like, I mean, it's a spurt of joy that comes to their face the moment I tell his name.
How nice. I will convey.
Please, please.
Yes.
And my son's name is Mohak and his friend's name is Anish. So please tell Mohak and Anish both love you a lot.
I shall.
And I love you.
And please continue to love him this way.
Definitely. Okay, what's a place that gives you utmost peace? A place.
Home.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Home.
What's your favorite fast food?
I love food. I mean, to say anything, मुझे लगता है कि कुछ बोलूं तो दूसरा बुरा मान जाएगा. But yeah.
Don't tell me food speaks to you. पिज़्ज़ा आपसे बात करती है?
मैं तो खाना देखती हूँ, weight put on हो जाता है. So I have this surreal relationship with food. But yeah, you know, I don't know if you know the word puchka, which is the Bengali golgappa that we have.
Puchka, yes.
Puchka. So yes, I don't think how many I can stop at. No, nothing. And being away from Delhi, I miss chole bhature a lot.
Oh.
Chole bhature at Bengali market.
Awesome. मुंह में पानी आ गया, बनाना पड़ेगा. How have you managed to not allow success go to your head, nor failure to your heart?
Oh, wow. But only successful people can tell you that, yeah. No.
You are successful.
I'm so humble.
As per your definition.
That you asked this question. Yes. Like you said, I think earlier that subjective hai success. So I think, to be very honest, I don't. Okay, let's take it in parts. I think it's very important to understand that moment you believe that there is success happening, you will switch off because the performance pressure goes up. हाँ, मैंने इतना कर लिया है, अभी तो ये करना है, अभी तो वो करना है. So I think you should have places for light to come in. So success, honestly, I think success, I'm quoting Shekhar Kapoor here. Success is for the neighbors. Failures I go to sleep with. You know. That's what he said, or something to the tune of that. So I really think that the moment if I start feeling I am successful, bas ho gaya, matlab ho gaya kalyan, I will not be able to perform. You know what I mean?
Wonderful.
Constantly that need to get better than yourself. That is
Hmm.
the only need. कि
True.
मैंने ये मेरे में खामियां हैं, ये मिस्टेक्स करी हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम न्यू मिस्टेक्स.
Wonderful.
I'm not saying that I can mistake proof my journey, but yes, and I think what I would also like to tell the youth here would be to be finding the ability to turn negative into creative,
True.
to not see anything as an obstacle, because you know you'll read a lot of Lao Tzu quotes and a lot of Taoism and all of that about importance of being empty, or you know a journey of
Hmm.
1,000 miles begins with one step, but it is
Single
true.
step.
It
Yep.
is single step in the right direction. You just should know why you're making the journey.
True. Purpose.
So
Like,
if you know each time is a journey, you need yourself to be full, and you can't be full of yourself. You
right.
should travel light.
Right.
Success में क्या होता है? You just have so much baggage. And failure to heart तो नहीं, वो तो आपके वो moments जो छूट गया है, Kensho moment. Kensho ना,
Yes.
Kensho.
Yes. Kensho. Kensho.
Yes, so
Yes.
convert everything. All my work is born of Kensho moments, I think. Because
Wonderful.
going back to biology a bit, because you know the male and female hormones are present in both men and women,
Yes.
only in different ratios. So the
Right.
male hormones are ones which, you know, like pushes or is the initiative, is the
Drive.
one taking the jump,
Yeah.
the
It gives
drive.
you the drive.
And the female is like, because we are nurturers, we are like एक बार सोच लेते हैं,
Yeah.
एक बार फिर से सोच लेते हैं, फिर माइंड बदलते हैं, फिर सोच लेते हैं, दिन में सोचते हैं नहीं कर सकते. So you know this debate which goes on in a woman's mind, you know, man says why can't you make up your mind? So this balance of male
Male and
female
female.
or yin and
Yin
yang
and yang.
also I
Yeah.
think is very important, so that success failure ratio also I think it finally evens out. But failure I think is just brilliant in telling you that listen, just hold on to yourself.
Yeah.
These are actually checkers of what is your strength.
True.
Let's not look at it as what was your weakness. And it is never in isolation.
Very true. Very
And
true.
just I just think that's what, you know, I mean, and also you if you allow the others not to be judged, ki, oh, you know, इसने इतना
Right.
कर लिया, तो आप comparing is a very bad thing.
True.
Like you said, you know, I am not probably feeling like, let me not name women filmmakers in the country right now who are there where they are, but अगर मैं हर बार सोचती रहूंगी कि वो उनके पास ये है, रणवीर सिंह है और दीपिका है और मेरे पास, no, that's not the point. That's not the point. Everybody started out one day. We are
Yes.
all
Yes.
new when we come. We are all new, and yeah, so be childlike longer. Make your, you have to make your own voyage with your own people.
You have given me so much of inspiration. Like, you know, I have a dream, and that dream really scares me. It is to inspire 1 million plus people. So my student was working with me and he said, ma'am, 1 million, do you think you want to change that M into D? And I said, yes, why not? So my dream is to inspire 1 billion plus people to become their best versions. And I win when they win. So this is something that came out, and you know, it is people who have pushed me into what I'm doing. And especially my kids, I would say my kids, when I say all the 7,000 children that I had in my school, and every year there would be around that much children, and they would push me. You know, I remember the time, if I have time to share, if you have the time, I would like to share this. It's very beautiful. There was this notice about an inter-school dance competition, and believe me, I have not been trained professionally in dance, and I just shared it with one of those classes where you feel very close to, you know, certain group of children, you know, you can share anything with them. So I just happened to share this, and this one boy stands up and says, ma'am, आप तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं, why don't you participate? And that gave me so much of an impetus. You must have heard कि किसी शख्स के पीछे एक टीचर का हाथ था, but मुझे यहाँ पे इस मुकाम पर लाने वाला मेरे बच्चे हैं. I would say my students. So he gave me that impetus to go forward. And 2 days, I literally practiced. Even in the bus when I used to travel, I would just do this step and that step. It was like, combining 5 elements and projecting saving the environment. And I just conceived it and I did like this. I was practicing the entire day and I got the second prize for the solo dance competition. And that was amazing. It was an amazing feeling, so um, whatever you have said has, I'm sure it was inspiring definitely for me, and I'm sure it's inspiring to all who are viewing this. So all of you out there, if you have dreams, go ahead and just keep on batting. Consistency is the key, and never give up, because she has shown us so much today, and she's given a part of her life to us today in this interview. And I'm so happy and glad that you accepted to be on Zindagi Ka Parcha Chai Pe Charcha के साथ. मजा आ गया. वो
I'm so glad.
अपना चाय बाकी है, अपना चाय बाकी है. And I would love to just give a small gift to you in a few lines. अगर आप मुझे साथ देंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, because मैं उतना अच्छा नहीं गाती हूँ, पर आपके लिए गाने का मन कर रहा है. कर रही है.
Please नहीं गाइए. I mean,
you were talking about
I'm
Indian
a willing audience.
The male in me is more strong, so kar raha hu is what I keep saying every time, and my children keep shouting at me. Okay, so
I'm Bengali, the grammar is always wrong.
Good then. Okay, मैं शायर तो नहीं, मगर ए हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई. Okay, so it goes like this. औकात पे आती हूँ, इंग्लिश में बोल रही हूँ. A life well lived, a purpose born from disillusion, a soul on a lens capturing spree, weaving stories that speak the truth, offbeat, thought-provoking, and unconventional, inspiring the audience to be, to delve deep into the true sense, discovering the meaning of being free. She takes you into a mystical abyss. The plots, poems, pictures, or stories you just can't miss. For any student of life, learning from her is pure bliss. Shukla Banali Ray is here to stay, creating ripples of change, exploring various cultures, page by page. So it's time to turn over the page and finally conclude this session with one message from Banali Ray with regards to जिंदगी का पर्चा चाय पे चर्चा विजी के साथ. इसके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज है?
ये चर्चा जारी रखिए, कम्युनिकेशन जारी रखिए, और प्लीज फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम और जो भी सोशल मीडिया है उसके अलावा भी प्लीज मीट इन पर्सन विद द मास्क.
Definitely.
Keep meeting, keep talking, keep connected. Stay connected. I think stay connected. Human race is going through a huge crisis today. And the moment you make friends, the wall goes. Whichever concern, whether it's any issue, religious, diet, playfulness, relationship, कोई भी, don't hold grudges, just talk. It's not what Twitter is telling you, or don't trust the media too much. When I mean the media is the news.
I know.
Please make your world, be the hero of your world, and do something we want to look up to.
Yes. And you know what? Today I was just about to write on Facebook, I need a hug. Actually,
Seriously, we need.
I
That's you were
really
saying
need
that
a hug.
something about you want to be. There is something called a hugger, no?
Yes,
Professional.
yes, yes.
वो
Professional
कोई खाता
cuddler.
भी है ना cuddler.
Professional cuddler.
So
So here's a big hug to you, a virtual hug for being there and giving such a lovely time. I really felt like I am meeting you in person and ये craving था किसी को मिलने का वो आज पूरा हो गया. Thank you so much. God bless
nice.
you.
I am so honored.
And you know
Thanks
what?
for having me over.
There was magic in this. There was magic in this because my sessions normally by 40 minutes it gets over and it's still continuing. Imagine. So you've given so much of energy to
Chop करना
technology
पड़ेगा.
as well.
Yeah, see? Yeah.
Thanks for viewing, and I'm sure you've had a good time. Like, comment, subscribe, and share as much as possible so that others too can be enlightened. We'll be happy to bring you more and more videos, and if you have any queries with regards to personal development and personal growth, do write to us at seminarbiji@gmail.com or message us on 8355 824 990. I win when you win. God bless.